So my name is Cecilia. I'm the engagement manager with Accelerating Community Energy Transformation. My role is building partnerships with communities for the benefit of Canadians. That's taken us here to Estonia, and we're really happy to be here, and I'm joined with my colleague, Ryan.
Hi, I'm Ryan Osterberg, Associate Director, Community and Government Relations with ACET. My role is to shape our relationships with the provincial and federal governments in Canada, but also to shape our international engagement and international strategies. So I'm very excited to be here in Estonia today. ACET is Accelerating Community Energy Transformation, and it is a multidiscipline, multi-institutional initiative led by the University of Victoria in BC. And our goal is to work with communities and partners to co-design energy projects that benefit local communities. And we do that through collaborations with local government and in Canada, Indigenous communities. And now as we start to work more, we're starting to branch out into international projects and work with organizations like the Estonian Island Energy Agency. ACET is going to build on the multidisciplinary nature of our partnerships. We have relationships with the University of British Columbia, Royal Roads University, UQTR in Quebec, and the University of British Columbia and the University of the Yukon. And it's built on 30 years of experience working on energy systems at the University of Victoria. It started with a program we called ACET-EISEA at UVic. And it's been working on building collaboration between researchers of multiple disciplines. So we bring a social science perspective to it. We bring a engineering perspective and a finance perspective to these projects. And I think it's been really important to bring that multidisciplined approach when looking at these complex challenges, but also these amazing opportunities.
So right now we've identified 3 streams of projects with the Estonian Island Energy Agency. The first one is looking at an innovative circular economy model around biogas production that integrates AI and waste heat utilization and the valorization of waste streams. We're going to be doing a case study on this. There's many agricultural-based communities in Canada that we feel would be really interested in this model, particularly around the circular economy planning, where Estonia is really a leader in this field. And the second one is looking at social receptivity and acceptance to renewable energy projects at the intersection of wind energy and community. So the term you hear is not in my backyard, and what we really want to look at is engagement approaches and strategies for bringing people into the energy transformation, helping them see themselves in it. We have quite a lot of work going on within our program on this topic, looking at worldviews, polarization, misinformation, but ultimately this is solutions-focused work. So we want to share tools and resources to engage with communities and look at benefit frameworks to help them see themselves inside the energy transition. And the third project is looking at energy resilience, energy sovereignty, energy security. There's also a lot of receptivity to these topics in Canada right now, and the islands here off the East Coast have done some really innovative thinking around resiliency hubs that integrate mass transit, and we want to work to better understand what this model, as we move to more distributed energy systems across Canada, we're really looking for that reciprocal learning in the third stream around energy resilience. So we see these projects as interconnected. We know that they're valuable for communities both in Canada and Estonia, and we're ready to start working on them actually this summer already, so we're really excited about that. Islands are known for innovation. It's the same in Canada. There's also really unique geographic constraints, local resources, and our program is really focused not on large urban centers, but on small, rural, and remote communities. Canada has hundreds of islands that are looking to decarbonize, and we see that there's similar constraints, there's similar policy environments. We're both in advanced industrial economies with similar regulatory environments and of course aspirations around decarbonization and energy transition. So here we found ourselves in Estonia largely because of the capacity of the Estonian Island Energy System, or Energy Agency, pardon me, and all the great work that they've been doing. So with our program, one of the things we look for in new partnerships is really organizations that are leading and able to participate with us in order to do these innovative projects. So that's how we found ourselves on the east coast of Estonia here.
This is an opportunity for us to bring Canadian expertise and knowledge and experience and research capacity to Estonia, but also to learn critical lessons that we can then take from Estonia back to Canada. And it's that two-way collaboration that is so important when we're trying to build these kind of research projects. And the Estonian Island Energy Agency has been such a tremendous partner in doing that. It's amazing how quickly this has evolved from our first visit last October, and here we stand here in April, and we're hiring people, we're launching these projects, and we're just seeing this go full steam ahead. So,
yeah, I would add to that, if you don't mind. I think that as we look into the future, what we want to see is strengthened collaboration between Canada and Europe, and we see this as a really important opportunity. Of course, with new geopolitical context and new relationships, we'd really like to see that strengthened. We think, as I mentioned before, that there's a lot of similarities between Canada and Estonia, and this collaboration can help move us towards energy transformation across the Atlantic and kind of shrinking the Atlantic and becoming closer partners together.
And one final thing I would add is from an international networking context, ultimately we are hoping to build a network of partners across Europe and more internationally as ACET moves into the future. And it gives us opportunity to work collaboratively, to share information, to identify shared grant opportunities, and strengthen all the partners in a forward motion towards those shared goals.